Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Java 17 or newer and Minecraft Java 1, 21. 4. Once confirmed, open your Minecraft folder and backup resource packs. This prevents accidental loss. Next, get the night vision texture pack built for 1, 21. 4 or the closest compatible release. If it's a zip, do not extract yet. Make sure the pack's pack. McMeta lists format compatible with 1, 21. 4. Now you're ready to move the pack into the game's Resource Packs folder and launch Minecraft. You'll now install and enable the pack inside Minecraft. With the zip and Resource Packs, open Minecraft, go to Options, then Resource Packs, and click Open Pack Folder to confirm placement. In the Resource Packs interface, find the Night Vision pack and move it to Selected, then click Done. Once the game finishes loading, press F3+T or use the in-menu Reload button to refresh assets. If the pack uses custom model data or shaders, make sure you've installed any required mod or Optifine alternative before testing. You finish by testing the night vision textures in a dark environment and applying the effect or potion to confirm visuals. If textures don't appear, check the pack. McMeta for correct format number and verify directory paths inside the zip match Minecraft's expected assets folders. Make sure any required mod loader or shader is active. If persistent issues occur, revert to your backup, reinstall the pack, and clear Minecraft's resource cache by pressing F3+T. That usually resolves stale assets and fixes typical problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.